Take me anywhere that you want. I don't even care if we come back again. And as long as the stars are shining above us, then I just wanna be where you are. I don't wanna close my eyes, then I might miss a moment of you. And as long as the sun shines upon us, and I just wanna be where you are. 'Cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. And I know I just wanna be where you are. I know everything has an end, and I know that we are not getting any younger. But as long as there is time, I will walk beside you. 'Cause I just wanna be where you are.
Can you have the camera so I can film going up the hill and down as fast as I can?
I thought you'd never ask.
Alright,
Okay,
go.
get everybody in front of you, bossy.
Everybody get in front of me. I'm bad at cameraing or vlogging.
You okay, Code? Well, he may or may not have got it. We'll have to go back and look. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm not done.
All right, let's see if we've got it. Okay, after the instant replay.
I ate it hard.
What?
I love going fast.
I am. Video me, Mom. Video me. Look, I look like Kate from the Titanic. No, I hope he doesn't biff it.
So cool looking.
He did that on purpose. That was an on purpose.
Oh, you're about to lose battery, bud.
Oh no! He fell on purpose. Okay, we gotta get these home before the batteries die. I asked the kids what they wanted for dinner tonight. I'm like, we can go anywhere you want. We can go get anything you need. And the only thing the kids wanted was pizza pockets
And microwave burritos.
and the microwavable frozen burritos
We haven't had those in a long time.
because those are the things I don't buy. So happy New Year. Enjoy it while you can because you're having kale salad starting Monday.
It's yummy. It's yummy. I like it.
Kale. Some kale salad.
Pepperoni. One or two?
One is plenty. We're gonna get a whole bunch of other kinds.
I'm not getting this plain.
Yeah, just get pepperoni, it's fine.
Wait, I want some like chocolate. I would caramel vanilla. I would like this one. I want this chocolate. Look at it. It's like beat up. You are glad I am alive.
You got it for the whole family. Non-dairy.
That's not going to taste good.
Well,
We haven't had these in a long time.
okay, I'm not gonna lie. Are you kidding me? This is my favorite childhood, like,
I don't remember having it.
the really cheap bean and burrito. delicious. I probably won't have one, but they're delicious.
I will have one.
Let's keep moving. We need cheese.
Eggnog is good. I love it. Love eggnog.
This is not, how old is he? Oh, little baby.
Olivia.
This is my little baby. You mean I? Oh, he's actually really heavy.
Happy New Year.
Bend your leg. I gotta hold you on my side.
Yeah, I'm not getting those.
Those are like $4 a bar. No way. I didn't know I had to play defense while I was grocery shopping.
He's trying to suffocate me with the voice. He's like,
Yeah, should we got cheese and these ones?
Yeah, I do not enjoy mochis.
I love more cheese. That does too.
I love more cheese, even though I've never had them.
So last night was New Year's Eve. We got up and went to church today. It was a big day for Cody at church. But I came out here to see what Joel is up to because he's been out here for hours. He's just over there doing the neighbors plowing. Dad helped you pile up the snow?
Yeah, now Cody.
So Cody, I have a question. Was this plowed and then how did all this get back on the driveway?
Dad. Because he didn't want to ruin this.
Oh, I see.
Me and Cody shoveled the lady's driveway.
Good.
My hands, whenever they get cold, they swell up, so like you can see a difference.
So your hands are swollen?
So my hands are very swollen.
Do you guys need to go help Dad?
Dad doesn't want us over there.
Doesn't he?
Yeah, because we keep going under the snow. He's like, no. So.
Awesome.
Oh, it feels so good.
It does feel really crisp and nice out here. You feeling okay? This morning, Lincoln did not come to church because he was sick.
And I threw up almost 16 times.
Yeah, he threw up quite a bit. But do you feel sick still?
My stomach, I kind of have the hiccups, but no.
Oh, well, I can't believe you're out here playing. I told him no. I'm like, do not go outside and play. You do not feel good.
Fresh air might help, though.
Yeah, but I think he was more interested in just getting fresh air and...
I had I was a little stuffy, but now I'm outside. It's like coming all the way. So
Good. Good. Okay.
I'm just kind of running it.
Okay, you guys keep building your fort. Yeah. Ask me how good it feels to clean out the fridge.
How good does it feel to clean out the fridge?
Fantastic.
Does it?
There was a lot of old food. I'm like, oh, this is all the party from our Christmas Griffiths party. This is all the ham from the New Year's Eve or Christmas Eve. Nope, they go over there underneath the paper towels is the drawer. Yeah, it feels really good to clean out the fridge.
Well, thanks for doing it.
You're welcome. Thanks for plowing everyone's driveway.
Yeah, well, it was fun.
And we made these like huge like ball thingies, and we well, I was trying to do the one by our kind of like our neighbor's house, but the other one was right on our lawn.
Why didn't we build a giant snowman? It would have been perfect snow. What were we thinking?
Swing and a miss.
Swing and a miss.
All right.
All right.
Well,
Hey, we can do that tomorrow.
happy 2023. It has officially begun. Goodbye 2022. And goodbye to you.
Yeah. We'll see you next year.
Oh, and my lip went down quite a bit.
Yeah, it
so
finally dropped a little bit.
I should find the results possibly tomorrow.
Hopefully. Actually, a lot of places are probably going to be closed tomorrow because most places are celebrating New Year's Day
on the 2nd?
Yeah, because it was on a Sunday. So.
All right, well, soon enough.
So the banks will be closed tomorrow.
Dang.
Dang it. All right. Anyway,
Bye.
bye guys.